Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing regulatory information on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Then select General. Scroll down the General settings and choose Regulatory. Here you can see all of the regulatory information for the watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.